Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Here are a few scenes heading to a job site during the hurricane. So we're here in Orlando, and this is not a lake. This is a park. Can you see that? Can you see the white caps going on out there? You see the tractor underwater over there? And I'm sorry, the wind's blowing me around quite a bit. But this park and all this water actually flooded up over this road. That was totally underwater. The road was closed. But yeah, we had some rain here. And like I said, this is not a lake, it's a parking lot. And that's a park over there. But look how much rain that is. That's 10 inches of rain. And this is a driving range. You know, where you drive the golf balls. Look at this. It is totally underwater. That is not a lake back there. That is the driving range. And I mean, it's got to be 7-8 feet deep back there. You can see all along here. It's just totally flooded. Yeah, we got some rain here in Orlando.